Hey y'all, Isaac Alexander here, and today I'm going to show you how I decorated for Christmas 2024. This display took about 2 weeks to set up, and I have more than 30,000 lights and many handmade creations. Many of the Christmas decorations you'll see in this video were handmade by me, and their tutorial is on my page. So if you love Christmas as much as I do, join me for this immersive and beautiful walkthrough of my display. And as always, Merry Christmas everyone. We're here at last at the end of the Christmas tutorial season, where I get to show you the past and present Christmas tutorials all in one place in a magnificent display. But before I show you that, 2 quick things. Many of you have asked me how you can support this channel, and the simplest and easiest way is to hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber helps this channel so much. So just go to my main profile here on YouTube, hit subscribe, and that's it. You've supported my channel. The second way you can support this channel is by purchasing one of the 2 newest children's books that I have written. I am a children's book author, and I have currently 2 books that have been published on Amazon. Little Olive and the Wally Bat is the first book, and Oliver and the Lost Flame is the second book. The link is in the description below, or you can just head to Amazon to check them out. But without further ado, I welcome you to Christmastown 2024. But before we go, I wish you a very Merry Christmas.